Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be giving away one of my favourite 3-inch models that I have reviewed recently, the Helifar X140 Pro. Now, it did need the gem fan flash props putting on there and a decent tune which I gave in my review video, so I'll link that in the below. But once I had made those changes, it was a 100 mph 3-inch monster, and all you need to do to enter is be subscribed to the channel, like this video and put a comment in the below, and there's also going to be some links and it'd be great if you could click those because this giveaway is in conjunction with GearBest's latest promotion, and if you guys click those then it means I'm going to be able to do more of these giveaways in the future. I'm going to be announcing the winner in a week's time on the 26th of June, so make sure you come back for that, and good luck to everyone. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.